Hey guys, yesterday we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, so I feel like that deserved its own video. Today's video I'm just gonna have a chat to you guys, and I also want to show you some things I bought. I decided to do a bit of a celebratory shop, I guess, so I thought I'd do a bit of a haul for you. But first I just want to say thank you guys so much. If you are watching this video, you are one of the 10,000 people that support my channel. Saying that number out loud just seems crazy. Like, I feel like my mind cannot like comprehend how many people that is. That is like a lot of people. I just can't believe that I'm here. I just can't believe that, you know, it's been almost 3 years since I started my channel. It's coming up to my 3-year anniversary. And now we're at 10,000. I just like, it blows my mind, and I'm just so grateful. Like, I just want to say thank you to every single person who has ever supported my channel and who has subscribed and who has commented and liked and viewed, and yeah, just literally anything that you have ever done to support my channel. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys literally don't understand the impact you have on my life. So 10,000 was the goal for this year, so I'm so excited that I have hit that now. I don't know what I'm thinking for next year. Yeah, it's weird. Like, I know either it could, like, it's taken me 3 years to get here, so, you know, next year it could be 20,000, or next year I could go, like, blow up and it could be like 100,000. Like, it's crazy. I don't know where like the journey is going to take me, but if this is the furthest we ever get, then I'm happy, honestly. Like, I feel just so grateful and so happy in the fact that I can do this and make YouTube videos. It honestly makes my heart, like, yeah, thank you guys so much. You guys literally make my life, and I'm just so grateful and so excited for the future. Yeah, and I can't wait to continue to make content for you guys. So I went a little bit overboard. I bought myself some things, but first I want to show you some things that I didn't buy for my 10k that I just bought. I'll show you them first. I know you guys love haul videos, so. Okay, so I did an order with LeBang Body, and the first thing I got was a vanilla ice cream reed diffuser. I'm so excited for this. It's really cute. It just comes like this in a little bottle, and then it also comes with the reed sticks. Obviously, it smells really good. Like, oh, so nice. I can't open it at the moment because of my nails, but I can smell it, and I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm gonna set this one up in my studio, I think, so I'll probably set this up after this video. Yeah, I'm so excited for just to walk in here and it to be smelling nice all the time. I also bought the same scent but in a car air freshener, and I didn't mind it at first, but I feel like it was just too strong for my car, so I ended up throwing that one out. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like they're just a bit too strong for the car, so I probably wouldn't recommend those, but everything else is amazing. The next thing I got was one of their giant candles. I think these ones are about $50, but like, it's a big candle compared to the normal ones. I'm not really sure how much bigger they are, but I think they're about maybe like $15 more expensive or something. And they also come in these beautiful jars. So this one here is in the scent Mango Sorbet, and it smells so beautiful. Like, such a light, nice, fresh scent. I love that. And then the next thing that I got was the Japanese honeysuckle soy melts. These smell so good. I don't know what Japanese honeysuckle smells like, but this reminds me of like the Hello Kitty perfume, kinda. Oh, so good. I love it. So that was everything I got from LeBang. And then my mum went out the other day and she bought me this candle because I asked her to, which is really nice of her. This is the Dusk Pecan Pie candle, and it smells so good. I think they've like discontinued this line, but they still had a few like, what do you call it, like for sale in the shop. This was their spoonful of sugar line, and it came with like 4 different candles, I think. And this one is pecan pie, and it smells amazing. Like, oh, amazing, so good. So yeah, that was everything that I bought before we hit 10k. And when we hit 10k, I decided to treat myself a little. So the first thing that I did was I ordered some stuff some glass house candles. I've never tried them before. I ordered them off the Peter Alexander website and they aren't here yet. I only ordered them the other day, but I will put those in another haul when they do arrive. But then I did buy some other things that I do have with me, so I'm going to show you. This is my huge bag of stuff that I bought. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you, I didn't actually buy, my mum bought it for me. This was her present to me for hitting 10k subscribers. This is from the same range from Dusk, A Spoonful of Sugar. This is their cinnamon scroll candle, and oh my god, amazing, so amazing. Let me open it for you. So this is how it looks. It's so cute and it just smells like just the best, just so good. Oh, I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna have the best time ever, like, honestly. So yeah, I got that. Then I went to Mecca and bought myself some things. The first thing I got was the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay moisturizing shower cream. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this to come back in stock online and it hasn't yet. So I finally went in store and they had it. And this smells literally like absolute heaven. If you guys have smelled the Bum Bum cream, you know what it smells like. But no, this is so good. I cannot wait to lather myself in these. I almost bought two, but I was like, no, I can't, like. But I will definitely be repurchasing this when I do run out. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I almost bought the perfume yesterday as well, but I was like, I didn't want to make that commitment yet. Maybe soon though. But yeah, so I bought that. Also from Mecca, I bought this Dermalogica set. It's the Buy Blackheads set, which I'm really excited about because I feel like blackheads are like my problem area. Like that's the thing that is my biggest skin concern, I feel like. So it comes with the Blackout Clearing Foaming Wash and the Blackhead Clearing Fizz Mask, which I'm so excited. So I'll show you how it looks. And this was quite cheap. This was like 40 bucks for these two products, which I feel like is a really good like price. Like I feel like these are good like sizes. So this is how they look. This is the Blackout Clearing Foaming Wash and this is the Blackhead Clearing Fizz Mask. So I'm so excited. I'll try those out in like a skincare first impressions. So yeah, let me know if you guys still like those videos as well. I have filmed like a few, but do you guys actually like seeing them? I don't know. I try and film things that I would like to watch, and that is something that I'd like to watch because I feel like many people don't do skincare first impressions, if you know what I mean. Like, but anyway, and then also from Mecca, I got my beauty lip box. I'm a level 3 member, which I'm sure you could imagine with the amount of money that I spend on makeup. So, in my box, I got the, this is Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I got the Pericone MD Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. I got the Dermalogica Physical Sunscreen Invisible Physical Defense. And then the last thing I got was the NARS Climax Mascara. I'm excited for this. The rest of the stuff I don't really care for, to be honest, but I'll still try them out, I think. The thing is, people sometimes complain about beauty lip boxes, but it's literally stuff for free. Like, even if it's not what you want, like, you didn't pay for it. It's literally for free, so I feel like you really cannot complain too much. But yeah, I'm really excited for the NARS Climax Mascara because I was actually going to try buy that yesterday, so I'm glad I didn't. But yeah, so that was that. Next, I went to Dusk. I bought myself another one from the Spoonful of Sugar range, and this is the Passion Fruit Souffle or Souffle. This smells so good. I love it. My mum said she didn't like this one, but I do. I think it smells so beautiful. It smells like passion fruit with a hint of like sugar or something. I love it. So beautiful. So yeah, that's that one. Then also from Dusk, I was a little bit well, not upset, but like, I mean, I live in Australia, so like I feel like we're not too into Halloween over here, which sucks because I love it. I love all the fall scents. I love Halloween. Like I love all of that stuff. Whereas I feel like in Australia, like you don't really get into it too much, you know, like so I went to Dusk and they only had 2 Halloween scented candles, whereas Bath and Body Works have like 1,000, so it's kind of like, But anyway, I got one of their Halloween candles. This is the pumpkin crumble, but honestly I really love the design of this. I'll show you guys, it's so cute. And I feel like once I actually use up the candle, like this is going to be the cutest little jar. So it's got like a little witch, and then we have a little cat. We also have the little skeleton, little pumpkin, and then the little ghost. So yeah, I love it. And it smells amazing, it smells like pumpkin. Yum. So yeah, I got that. That was everything I got from Dusk. I went to not the body shop, sorry. I went to Lush, and there wasn't honestly a whole lot for me to buy there because I just did a huge online order, so you know, everything in there I pretty much bought. But the one thing I did get was the scrubby. This is like a little solid scrubber bar. It's a little bee. He's so cute. He smells really good. He smells like honey. Yum. And yeah, it's just like a physical exfoliant. Like you rub it on yourself and it scrubs like a body scrub. So yep, got that. And then my last stop was the Body Shop, and I got a few things from there. So the first thing I got was a big one of the British Rose shower gel. This is one of my favorite scents, and I have a mini one at the moment, but I'm almost out, and I love this. It's like such a beautiful scent. It smells kind of like perfume. It smells like rose, but not your typical rose. Like, it's a much more like floral, perfumey rose, whereas like the Rose Jam from Lush is more of like a sweet rose, if you know what I mean. But you know, I love that. I also got the exfoliating gel body scrub in the British Rose scent as well, because once again, I love it. So excited, that smells so good. I love body scrubs. I really need to stop buying body stuff now, that's for sure. I got the Shea shower cream. This is one of my favorite scents from the Body Shop as well, and I don't have any. I ran out of mine because I used it all up, and that smells so good as well. And then I also got a exfoliating sugar body scrub in the Shea scent, which I'm very excited about. Oh, it just smells so good. I love it. And then the last thing I got was the... Hang on, someone's calling me. Okay, and then the last thing that I got was the Body Shop Vanilla Pumpkin shower gel. See, I feel like this is the only like Halloween kind of thing they had, which makes me sad. But anyway, it smells really nice. It smells kind of like custard or something. I don't know. It's really good though. But yeah, that was everything that I got. So once again, I just want to say the biggest thank you to all of you guys. Like, it literally means the absolute world to me, and I'm just so forever grateful for all of you. So thank you so much. I would do a giveaway, but I'm already doing like 31 days, so but yeah, thank you guys so much. I can't wait to see what we achieve together. Bye.